Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, today the last trading session of 2016 and right now we will take a look at the euro currency. The market yesterday mostly has completed our assumption on the possible upward action, has completed the target that we have specified on intraday charts, but guys, just to repeat the same thing, the market was really and is currently rather thin. And that's why do not pay too much attention to what's going on between the Christmas and New Year's Day. So this is mostly the speculative action, speculative games. So major investors stand aside from the market. And the tendency that you could get in this period not necessarily will be continued, as the major part of the traders will return back to the action after the New Year's holiday. So that's why, yes, we saw not bad upward action rally, so some market makers tell about the stop hitting, that some stops have been triggered and that led market to show this upward jump. So maybe this is true, but anyway, the targets has been completed, and take a look. Mostly we were correct on the sale of this retracement, so we said it will be approximately 106, it was 106.50. On the daily chart, guys, probably we would say that it's not a bad idea for taking the short position, since we have the bearish stretch pattern by the jet Naples combination of the fib resistance and daily overbought. But there is long holidays ahead, so I'm not sure that this will be a good idea taking the position right now and waiting, sitting on it through the holidays. Maybe better to wait and just start trading as all people will do in the next year. So that is just your personal decision. So on the daily chart we have mostly the same picture. We have uncompleted ABC top 1618D extension. It's 102.20 area, and probably it will be hit. On this retracement that we have got yesterday, market has completed, take a look, harmonic retracement. So if we will not take into consideration this turmoil around elections, it's mostly this harmonic retracement. This market repeats very well here and right now again, because repeated again this action. And that's, as I said, gives us the jet Naples directional pattern that calls the stretch, this combination of overbought with the fib level. That usually suggests some downward action, continuation. But in our circumstance, probably it could be used for taking the short position at some retracement. Not necessarily today, but maybe in the beginning of the next week. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, action was really a bit dramatic. So we can see the spike up. Maybe indeed some stops have been triggered that have been placed above this resistance area. And as soon as market has completed and touched this, as you can see, it has returned back down below 105.50 conference resistance, our initial level that we discussed. So this short-term action suggests that probably indeed this was some kind of the stop hunting or something of that sort, and the thin market just some riding on the stops and returning back down. At the same time, if you'll take a look at the hourly chart, you will see that market by this action has completed our targets. So you can see we have two targets of the different banner in the same area. This is the classical target of the hand shoulders, as we have discussed. At least we agreed to call it as the hand shoulders. Maybe this is not quite the hand shoulders, but shape, you could recognize some kind of the shape, since left shoulder head, right shoulder is a bit extended, but it's relatively so something on the hand shoulders stands here. So as you can see, it's classical target, distance between the bottom of the head and the neckline, counted in the point of the breakout. It's 106.10 approximately, and the fib extensions, jet Naples tools A, B, C bottom, 1618 target also has been hit as 106.10. So as market has completed these targets, strap has followed, and mostly we could say that this is also the agreement area. So this is targets, and guys, this is also fib level. So following that logic, if we would get the beginning of the year in just ordinary daily video, I would say that probably on some retracement from the small tracing swing, we could take the short position. So 105.70, 106.7, 106.7 probably more probable because this was really fast action, and after that usually the deep retracement happens. But anyway, maybe favorite 50% level of the euro currency. So that being said, somewhere 105.85, 106. That's an area in the market if we will reach it. This will be not bad opportunity for taking the short position. But again, guys, this is just a question on holding the position for the holidays. During the holidays, maybe some news could happen, something of that sort. So I do not like to do this, to hold positions for the weekend. But speaking purely on the technical picture, usually these combinations suggest such sort of the action. As soon as the target has been completed, market has completed and reached the important resistance area, starting bounce out from it, use the retracement on the first bounce, and you could take the position in downward continuation. So that's what we see on the euro currency right now.